Hello, my name is Madhu Vulimiri, and I graduated from Sanford in 2018 with my master's in public policy. Today is June 29th, 2020, and I'm speaking to you all from Durham, North Carolina, where I've been working from home for the past several months, like I'm sure many of you have as well. And I work for the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, where I am a senior strategy advisor to our Chief Deputy Secretary, Susan Gale Perry. And since March 14th, I have been working full-time on COVID-19 response for the state of North Carolina. And over the last 3 months, I have been spending a lot of time thinking about how we support children and families in North Carolina during this pandemic. When Governor Cooper announced in March that we would be closing schools and then for the remainder of the school year, we moved very quickly to ensure that families would still be able to access safe and affordable childcare, especially for our essential workers, and that children could continue to receive nutritious meals even while out of school, as we know so many children rely on free or reduced lunch for meals. And we've had to make some really big policy decisions in these areas of childcare and schools and nutrition around whether we opened or closed childcare, and North Carolina decided to allow childcare to remain open but apply to be emergency childcare providers and meet enhanced health and safety guidelines. We've had to make decisions recently around our CARES Act funding and how to support the childcare industry and workforce. And we've also more recently been thinking a lot about the decision of how to safely reopen schools in the fall. And so in thinking about these decisions, I really draw upon skills and training from Sanford every day as I work to support leaders who are having to make these decisions. And many of my days feel like a 48-hour memo, which Sanford students and alums will know is an exercise where a group of students is given a policy problem and has 48 hours to really analyze the issue, provide policy alternatives and criteria, and make a recommendation. And many of the decisions we're grappling with need to be made as quickly as possible to give people time to plan and know how to move forward, but also as thoughtfully as possible in a time when we really don't have easy answers. And so I draw upon that a lot. I also pull from my data visualization class a lot with John Quinterno in thinking about how to present data to inform decision making that is clear and compelling and visually appealing. And then most importantly, one of the skills I use every day is trying to very clearly and concisely write and communicate with decision makers about what we know, what we don't know, and where is the best data and evidence to drive our decision making. I'm Madhu Vulimiri, and this is why policy matters.